Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa A9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, replacing the o-ring of the brew unit and deep cleaning it as well. You can kind of see right here how dirty it was. There was a lot of coffee buildup all around the entire brew unit. We deep cleaned that, made sure we brush it off, remove the coffee, we replaced the gaskets underneath this cover as well. The gasket that you see right here is that gasket over there of the machine, and we did find a lot of coffee buildup on this machine. There was tons of mold as well. It was really dirty inside. We even find a whole puck inside this chamber over here. I don't know even how it got there, but yeah, it was pretty bad. But we clean on that with this other machine, and it's now ready to go. So let's test it out, starting with one espresso shot. We do not have the hose of this machine, so we won't be able to do a cappuccino, but we're able to test the hot water on it. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, good crema coming out the top as well. Working great. Now we use water, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the hot water one. Really good flow and excellent temperature. And there you have it, Jura Impresa A9 tuned up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for your payment in Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.